we make, can we make a dua on David Wood? Because he's still chewing the Quran. Like, I think we can make a collective dua and everyone in the chat.
Don't worry. Listen. These guys, they are putting the azab on themselves.
Yes.
The Prophet ﷺ told us the best life is a long life upon piety, and the worst is a long life upon sin, because Allah allows the people to put the hujjah on themselves. If this guy is eating the Quran, what does he think that's going to do? You think he's going to finish the Quran in the world? The Quran's in our hearts, in our minds, on our tongues. The Quran is in our actions, in our practice. The Quran can never, if we burnt every Bible in the world, you would have no Bible. But if you burnt every Quran in the world, wallahi, we could write the whole thing from memory with harakat. One 12-year-old child from Mauritania can write the whole thing out.
Within 4 hours.
Wallahi, I even saw the brothers in London. They were doing the same thing, writing out like the North African brothers. Little children can write out the entire Quran with harakat, fatha, dhamma, kasra. And to be called a qari of the Quran, they have to do it twice in a row without a mistake. So you cannot stop the Quran. But you're eating the Quran, it just shows the stupid idiot that you are. And Allah will hold you accountable on the Day of Judgment. And the fact that you all ran, David Wood, God Logic, Sam Shimon, Apis, all of you ran when we have given you this open invite. The whole world knows now who the liars are.